Hi, I am Teacher Jen. Welcome to Virtual Math. Today, we are going to talk about a very special geometric figure, and that is a circle.
You probably see circles almost everywhere you turn. And it is very evident in transportation where they appear as vehicle tires, and very important in construction sites as pulley wheels that help in reducing the amount of force needed to lift a load. Circles are really everywhere in this world, which shows us that it has become very important to us because of how useful it is in our daily lives. So, let's learn about circles. What is a circle? In mathematics, a circle is defined as a set of points that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. For you to better understand that, let's start with a single point here. And now, let's start drawing points with the same distance from it or equidistant from it. Let's say a unit to the right. Let's make another point a unit away but in another direction. Let's say here. Let's make another one right here. Let's make another one right here. Let's make another right here. Another right here.
Run another, and another, and another, and another, another right here, and another again, another, and so on, another.
You see what's happening? The more points we add, all with the same distance from the center, the more it looks like a circle. But we usually don't see it as a set of points because there are infinitely many of them, so they form a continuous circle. Now, let's talk about the primary parts of a circle. Let's see the fixed point that we started with. This is called the center or the origin of the circle. A circle is actually named by its center. If the name of a center is A, then this is called circle A. Now, we have the distance that we use to draw all the equidistant points from the center. This distance is called the radius. Radius is the distance from the center to any point on the perimeter of the circle. You can draw as many radius as you want to, but usually you'll only see one radius because it's the same length no matter where you draw it. By the way, the plural of radius is radii. So if you are referring to many radius, then you can just pluralize it with this term, radii. Another part of a circle is the diameter. The diameter is a segment that has 2 points on the circle as endpoints, with the center as the midpoint. What do you think is the distance of the diameter in terms of its radius? Yes, the diameter is twice as long as the radius. As you can see, The diameter is just two radii drawn from the center to the circle in opposite directions. Now, let's talk about the secondary parts of a circle. There are more important parts of a circle. Another part of a circle is a chord. A chord is a segment that joins any 2 points on the circle. This is a chord. This is also a chord. There are many chords in a circle. But think about this. We said earlier that a diameter is a segment that has 2 points on the circle as endpoints, with the center as the midpoint. So, is a diameter a chord? Yes! A diameter is a special chord with a special characteristic. Because a diameter is also made up of any 2 points on the circle, only that it passes through the center of a circle. The diameter is actually the longest chord of a circle. Now, if we extend these chords, another part of a circle is formed. That's a secant. A secant is any line or ray or segment that contains the chord which intersects the circle into 2 points. Thinking about it, maybe you realize that the diameter, chord, secant all intersect 2 points of the circle. But there is another part of a circle which is also very unique, for it intersects the circle only at 1 point. And that is a tangent. A tangent is any line, segment, or ray which intersects the circle at 1 point. That certain point where they intersect is called the point of tangency. Now, let's think about this. Observe the picture that's flashed on your screen. What part or parts of a circle is represented in this picture? The wheels of the bicycle are examples of a circle. And of course, if there is a circle, then there must be a fixed point, called the center. And as you've observed, there is a line that seems to be connecting the center and the circle. And those are the spokes of the bicycle wheels. Now that represents the radius. And if you use your imagination, real imagination, then you could see that there is a tangent. Now, what part or parts of a circle is represented in this picture? The cake is cut in half and is sliced through the center of the cake. Therefore, what we are seeing here is a diameter.
I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching this video.